Mi smo prvi pre Evropske unije dobili vakcinu. Mi smo krenuli ovdje sa vakcinacijom. Znači, mi smo u tom startu ispitivanja. I mi učestvujemo u tome.
Well, and a question for you. I heard you have not yet had your shot. When do you plan to get it?
Sooner I can, I will. The only sensitivity here, Meg, is that I don't want to have an example that I'm cutting the line. That I am 59 years old, in good health. I'm not working in the front line. So my type is not recommended to get vaccination now. So that's one consideration. On the other hand, our company ran a lot of polls to see what will take people to believe it. And one of the executive or board members will cut the line. They will take it as their age and the occupation type is a time for them to take.
The groups that have been exempted from getting the vaccines, all of Congress, plus all the congressional staff, House and the Senate. That's a lot of people. 6,000 White House employees, all exempted. 2,500 Pfizer employees exempted. 1,500 Moderna employees, and 120,000 Johnson & Johnson employees, all exempted. 15,000 CDC, 14,000 FDA employees, exempted.
Vaccinated people are 11 times more likely to die from COVID-19 and 10 times more likely to be hospitalized. That's according to a new study in America.
Why do the protected need to be protected from the unprotected by forcing the unprotected to use the protection that didn't protect the protected in the first place?